A prism, a single beam of light, a burst of radiant color. Over 50 years ago, Pink Floyd gave us the legendary Dark Side of the Moon. That iconic cover is packed with symbolism, telling a story that mirrors the cycle of human life. And it got me thinking, what if I reimagined that cosmic imagery into primitive pottery? What if I swapped the dark void for hand-painted symbols of growth, hope, and compassion? How would it look if I brought it down to earth? That's the challenge for today. I'm so glad you're here. Let's get started. In the original album cover, there was no source of light. There was just this beam of light coming. For me, I think it needs to come from the sun. I like the sun. I think it's symbolic of a lot of things. You can decide what it means to you. But so anyway, I have a sun beaming in towards that prism. And now we need to make the rainbow part. Here is the spectrum, or the rainbow, that comes from the prism. That all obviously needs to be colored in. Then I have all this space. Now, one option would be just to leave it blank, and that might be the better graphic option. But because this is kind of celestial in nature, I think I'm going to add a few things over here as well. I filled in this space, and I may be on the verge of overworking this thing. These kind of look like lollipops, but I'm going to do some things with them. Hopefully that'll straighten out. But I get to do the fun part now and fill in the colors to make this polychrome. The coloring is done. These are supposed to be the spectrum that comes out of the prism. This is the sun, and I'll show you later what these are. So the only thing that's really left, besides the firing, is in these black areas I'll be doing some sgraffito. The painting and the sgraffito are complete. I'm reasonably pleased with it. It's supposed to be a nod to Pink Floyd and Dark Side of the Moon. Ended up adding some extra stuff. I don't know, maybe too much. One thing they did not have is really a light source. I put in a sun, and symbolically to me that is the powerhouse that kind of fuels everything in so many different ways. It can be as symbolic as you want it to be, and it feeds into the prism and out into this spectrum that fuels our lives, our world, everything. I added 4 values of compassion: health, happiness, peace, and love, and they too are feeding into the prism and out into the spectrum that feeds the world. So hopefully it is a message of happiness. So anyway, next step is to get it outside and get it fired. I'm anxious to see that happen. With bowls like this, I fire them a little bit differently. I don't use a grate like this. I just set them up on bricks, and I like to set it so that it's at an angle like that. I'm not sure that it makes a difference, but the goal is so that the different fumes and things don't get caught inside the bowl. So I just like to have it tilted up a little bit. And then I don't feel like I need to use as many sherds. The bottom isn't painted, so the sherds don't need to protect any painting. I think that's all the sherds I'm going to do. It'll be fine. And with this, maybe I'll get some interesting smoke clouds on, or fire clouds on the bottom. Okay, I think that is enough charcoal for this. I'll put some bricks all the way around, and just maybe use one course, and then ought to be good. It's been about 45 minutes. I don't know how hot it is, but it's going to be a decently hot fire. certainly enough to get the job done. It has been a few hours since this got going. Still warm, but I think I can handle it okay. That's kind of interesting with this crack like that. Kind of nice blushing on the bottom side. I think it's kind of a nice effect to have these fire clouds so you're not protecting it with shirts, but I wanted the inside protected, so let's see what we get. It's pretty nice, I like it. I love the colors on there. I got good color definition over there, so it's a nice tip of the hat between Floyd and Dark Side of the Moon. Well, there you have it. From a striking beam of light in a spectrum to a piece of primitive pottery. You know what? I like the way the symbolism worked out, that of hope and compassion, kind of reinterpreting that classic Pink Floyd album into something that is more warm and grounded. But you know what? I'd love to hear what you have to think of this reinterpretation of Dark Side of the Moon. So put your comments down below, and I promise I will respond to every one of them. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button down below. Thank you for spending time today. Really appreciate it. So keep on creating, and until next time, wishing you health, happiness, peace, and love. Take care. Bye-bye.